Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've been back, but I'm so excited to share this new little goodie that I just got. It's the Prada re-edition mini, mini vibe. It's so cute, I can't even handle it. I'm so in love. It is I think the 2000 re-edition, and it just I guess came out in the last few months. Obviously we saw Stormy with it a bunch of times, and clearly that child just sold me the bag because I couldn't live without it. I was like obsessing. I'm like, where is this little small thing? um it is so cute. I'm showing you what it fits because it barely fits anything except some essentials, but that's all I wanted it for. I want it as like a belt bag or like a pocket, like an extended pocket. We'll call it that. It's like so perfect. But yeah. Oh, come on, Dipper. You better not do me dirty like that on video. Um, but yeah, and I love that it has a strap. Um, I'm personally not going to be using this. I can't wait to show you guys how I styled it. I saw another girl on YouTube with one, the exact color. She got this chain, and I've been obsessed, so I had to get it myself to do it exactly as is. Here's the authenticity card. I got mine from Yorkdale here in Canada, and I'm so obsessed. And I learned it's discontinued, so if you can find one, get your hands on it because we don't know when they're ever gonna make a reappearance. So thanks for watching. How cute.